Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring VSCode and the Yaml extension are installed so you get schema validation and autocomplete. Open the project folder and create a IntelliSense file immediately. This triggers language features. Once done, set editor. Format on save and your preferred tab size to keep files consistent. Make sure VSCode recognizes the workspace settings so all collaborators share indentation rules. This prevents parsing errors and keeps diffs readable, which matters when Yaml is whitespace sensitive. You now connect a schema to improve validation and auto-completion. Pick a JSON schema or a built-in Kubernetes schema depending on your use case. Once connected, the Yaml language server gives hover details, completion suggestions, and diagnostics. Follow the squiggles to fix issues quickly. Make use of folding, multi-cursor editing, and snippets to edit repetitive blocks faster. Also, configure Yaml custom tags or schema store to handle anchors and custom tags so the validator doesn't flag legitimate constructs. You finish by formatting and linting the file, then run CI or a local linter to ensure the Yaml parses in the target system. If errors appear, open the Problems panel and apply quick fixes. They often pinpoint the exact line and expected type. Make sure to save workspace settings so formatting is consistent. If validation behaves oddly, disable other YAML-related extensions, reload the window, and confirm the active YAML server. This resolves most extension conflicts and stale diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.